energy. Hi! Alright, hi! Hello, hello, hello! Pasensya na po sa aking boses. Kagabi po ay ako yung tumimik pa. But anyway, hello everyone. Welcome to Mira's first birthday celebration. Kayo po ba ay excited na? Alright. Ano po ang pangalan ng ating celebrant today? Very good. Alright, so now, let us all welcome the family of our celebrant together, of course, with our celebrant. Let us call on Mr. Miles and Mariel together with Mira! Let us all give her a cheer! Is the mother and father of our celebrant today. So, of course, we want to hear a welcome message from both of you.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Thank you sa pagpunta, even though it's a Sunday, alam nating Family Day and Church Day. Well, very religious talaga yan. So I hope you enjoy today kasi actually, it doesn't matter if you enjoy as long as happy si Mira. And thank you for being part of Mira's first year. Yan, thank you.
Sobrang mahihayin si Daddy. Anyway, thank you so much for welcoming our guest. And please, dito po agad tayo sa ating birthday cake. And we are going to, I would like to inform everyone that we are going to have games today. So I hope you're all going to participate. The games are for adults and for kids. And we have a special guest later. For sure, yung mga young at heart at of course mga bata will be excited to see our surprise guest. May hula ba kayo kung sino ang ating surprise guest? Sino po? Si Jollibee. Sino ang masaya dito kapag nakikita yung mga TikTok videos ni Jollibee? Ako. I'm so guilty about that. Sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako kapag nakita ko si Jollibee. So later, we are going to be with our special guest. So, okay, so now, we have the candle lit. Everybody, can you please stand up? Ayan, kailangan maririnig ko po lahat ng boses ninyo sa part na ito. Alright, we are going to sing a happy birthday song in 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Isa pa, mas malakas. Alright, Mommy and Daddy, please make a wish for your little girl and then blow the candle. Nag-practice ba si Mira? Alright! Good job! Happy birthday, Mira! Isa nga pong sabay-sabay na greeting kay Mira. Happy birthday in 3, 2, 1! Good job! Thank you! You may now take your seat. And sa kanya po naiiwan si Mira. Katuwing magtatrabaho po si Ma'am Mariel. Super cute! Alright, later we are going to have a picture taking po. Sige po. Family picture. Oo nga, very pastel. Ang ganda po. Ang gandang tingnan. Oh, one more time, Mira. Happy birthday. Smile. Alright. Thank you. Lola and Lola. Lola. Opo, what is your message to your apo? Sige na. Yeah, magdramahan muna tayo bago tayo maglaro. Warm up lang. Sige po, we would like to hear it from you, Lola. Naiyak siya. Mamaya na lang. Okay, so for our first game, ayan, meron po ako ng 4 na upuan. Sino po dito ang mga ninong at ninang ni Mira? Where's the ninong and ninang of Mira? Let's go! Come on! Lalabas na lang. One more. Walang ninong at ninang dito? Hala. Sige po, volunteer. Come on.
Okay, lahat ng ninong at ninang. Oy, pag hindi nag-volunteer, 20K ang bigay kay Mira. Dali na. Go! Kasi 10K lang kanina, ngayon 20 na. I'll start calling names. Sige. Okay, all of from itong table na to, may ilang games ba? Lahat na dali para fun kasi ito lang yung only game ko. 1-5 ang papremyo. 1-5 lang eh. So yeah. Ay, dali na. Oh. Sumali kayo. Dali everyone, oh. Huwag niyo akong pagurin. Kanina pa ako pagod.
Thank you, co-host.
No? Ako na nag-host.
Yes, thank you, co-host.
Kami yung check.
Let's go.
Sige, let's start calling names na. Laika, Eunice, Ralph, Janelle. Oh,
May pagsingin.
Kim, Daniel, Chel, Aaron, everyone from my college friends. Oh, Lawrence, Shirley,
Một là anh biết thương. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình. Tình 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 tăng
Hindi
tăng
naman po kayo
tình,
sasayaw, don't worry.
Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình.
no, Dave and Michael.
Tình
Oh, no.
tình mình tình tan 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 tình. Yeah, yeah. Anh tính sao giờ để anh tính sao?
Let's go. Actually, pwede po ito sa bata.
Ralph, and
Bawal po ang mga malalapit.
Rain, come
yung mga
here.
nakatira sa bahay ni Mira, bawal.
Ay,
Okay. I think that's okay.
I don't give a flip.
That's the magic word. Thank you, Miss Mariel. Okay. Ganito ang gagawin natin. May mga katanungan po tayo. Malalaman po natin kung gaano nyo po kakilala ang ating birthday celebrant today. Dito po kayo sa gitna. Dito po kayo sa gitna. Okay. Wawawin. Malapit doon. Okay. Dito po tayo sa gitna. Sa gitna po. Okay. Dito po kayo pupunta, ha? Multiple choice. I have a question and then multiple choice. This is letter A, B, C, D. Okay? Pipila kayo doon sa tamang sagot. A, B, C, and D. Okay. Unahan lang to, ha? Unahan. Ang kukunin ko po ay, ngayon po ay first 15. Mukha namang more than 15 kayo, so first 15. Okay. Yes, multiple choice to. Napakadali. For the first question, what is the full name of Mira? Yes, listen closely. Letter A, Mira Angelia Antiporda Alcantara. Letter B, Mira Angelica Antiporda Alcantara. Nagkamali po siya. Itama niyo, ma'am. Oo, parang siya yung ma-out. Okay. And while we are, medyo marami tayong technical difficulties today. And for everyone na nandito po, I would like to announce that later we are going to award one table na pinaka-kompleto, pinaka-mataas ang energy with 1,500. Okay, 1,500. Alright, game. What is the full name? Okay, ito na. Okay, letter A, Mira Angelia Antiporda Alcantara. B, Mira Angelica Antiporda Alcantara. C, Mira Angelia Alcantara Neri. Or D, Almira Angelique Alcantara Neri. Go! first 15. So, kung kayo ay pang 16 and out na kayo, bibilangan natin 1, 2, ano ka, sir? Promise? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Paano to? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15! I'm so sorry. Kailangan bibilisan. Okay. Next question. Ang next naman natin ay 12. May tatlong ma-out. Sa anong ospital pinanganak si Mira? A. UniHealth Southwoods. B. UniHealth Santa Rosa. C. MDI Hospital. Or D. Binyan Doctors. Go! Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is that your final answer? Final answer? Wag kayo. Final answer. Letter A, UniHealth Southwoods. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 3 seconds para lumipat. A, UniHealth Southwoods. B, UniHealth Santa Rosa. C, MDI Hospital. Or D, Binyan Doctors. 5. Okay na, good na. Ang tamang sagot ay letter B! UniHealth Santa Rosa. Hindi nyo alam na may UniHealth Santa Rosa, no? Oo.
Ng Walmart. Pinalitan yung name to UniHealth. Yung tapat ng Walmart.
That's tricky.
Isang Santa Rosa.
Avoid. Ilan na lang ang players natin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Di ba out na po kayo? Or hindi pa naman? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Ito po. Ang mananalo po dito ay 5 na lang. Kailangan bibilisan nyo, ha? What time Mira was born? A. 12:45 midnight. Letter B. 12:45 noon. Letter C, 11:45 a.m. Or letter D, 11:45 p.m. Go! First 5. First 5. Ikaw, ma'am. Ba't po yan ang sagot niya, ma'am? Baka ikaw na ang nanalo.
Nanghula lang.
Nanghula lang. Kaano-ano niyo po si Mira, ma'am? Kaano-ano niyo?
Friend ko yung mom niya.
Alright, friend ng ma'am. Kayo po, sure na po ba kayo sa sagot niyo? Alam niyo lang po ay gabi. Oo nga eh. Actually, bibigyan ko kayo ng 5 more seconds, okay? To choose your answer. Again, A, 12:45 midnight. B, 12:45 noon. C, 11:45 a.m. Or D, 11:45 p.m. Go. 12 midnight, 12 noon, 11:45 a.m., 11:45 p.m. First 5. Anesh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is letter D! Pero sir, okay lang. Out ka rin naman eh. Alright, ito. Sige, unahan. Wala pang, depende sa final answer yung ma-out. Ano po ang timbang ni Mira noong pinanganak siya? Letter A, 2.71 pounds. Yung timbang ng ninang. Letter A, 2.71 pounds. Letter B, 2.72 pounds. Kilos. Kinonvert. 2.71 kilos. 2.72 kilos. Letter C, 2.73 kilos. Or letter D, 2.74 kilos. Go. Ang hirap, no? Oo. Okay. Yan na. Ang final answer ninyo. Okay. Ang una ko munang ma-out ay ang letter B. Out ka na, ma. Thank you so much. Ang next natin ma-out ay ang letter A. So may dalawa na lang tayong sagot. Letter C, 2.73 and D, 2.74. And the correct answer is letter D! Yay! Congratulations! Winner ka dun, girl. Hi! You have a prize. Anong masasabi? 1-5. Thank you so much. That is our first game. Okay na po. Okay. Ang next game po natin, ang premyo naman po nito ay ang pagkakasunod-sunod ng ating buffet. Okay? Wait lang. Okay. Ganito, magpapatugtog po ang ating DJ ng kanta. Huhulaan niyo po hindi ang title ng kanta, kung hindi kung saan itong movie ginamit. So soundtrack po ito. Alright, para po malaman ko kung sino ang tatawagin ko, maaari lamang po na itaas ang inyong table numbers. Okay, at ang may pinakamalakas na cheer, yun yung lalapitan ko. Alright, for our first song, DJ please. Yes! Pinakamalakas na cheer! Cheer!
It's
Cheer. Ito. Table number 8. Fast and Furious ano? Okay, tatanggapin ko na Fast and the Furious is correct!
Damn, who knew?
Ay, 1-5. Wala pa, hindi pa kayo yon. Ano po ang masasabi nyo or birthday wish nyo para kay Mira? Oh, Ninang. Bakit parang ayaw mo, ma'am? Okay, ikaw na. Birthday wish. Birthday wish.
Happy birthday, Mira. Sana maging mabait ka and... Maging mabait... Maging mabait ka katulad ko. And kasing ganda.
Doon na lang daw tayo sa kasing ganda. Hindi ba mamait si ma'am? Mukha naman siyang mabait. Okay. Next song, please. Sige po, pinakamalakas.
The window is open, so's that door. I didn't know they did that.
Table number 13. Yes. Frozen is correct.
First time in
Ano po ang inyong birthday wish para kay Mira? Dahil ikaw ang pinakamalakas ng sumigaw.
For Mira, ang birthday wish ko para kay Mira, even though hindi akong ninong, etong ninong, ang birthday wish ko para kay Mira is lumaki siya tulad nila Kuya Miles tsaka ni Ate JM kasi sila po talagang kilala kong napaka down to earth na mga tao sa mundo.
Thank you. Saan siya lumabas? Na movie? Mas malakas. Ano po ang title ng movie?
Alice in Wonderland.
Napanood niyo ba, sir? Ano po yung plot nung story? Na-joke. Alice in Wonderland is correct. Ano po pangalan niyo, sir?
Aaron.
Sir Aaron, ano po ang birthday wish niyo para kay Mira?
Ang birthday wish ko kay Mira ay lumaki siyang healthy, matalino ng parang kanyang mommy, and ang ganda. Tsaka mabait na kasing daddy. Thank you.
Thank you, Aaron. Next song, please. Ano yan? Ikaw yan. Yes, ano bang movie?
Mulan.
Mulan o Maraw. Charot lang. Ang corny ko. Mulan is correct. Ano po ang inyong pangalan at birthday wish for Mira?
I'm Cozy. Birthday wish for Mira is that I hope that she grows up to be more God-fearing and bubbly like her mom. So, yun lang.
Parang hindi ka naniwala dun, ma. Alright. 2 more songs. 2 more songs.
Si Mama!
Yes! Sino? Yung mga nakasagot na hindi na. Yes!
Lion King.
Lion King! Kakantahin nyo, sir. Charot lang. Lion King is correct. Ano po ang inyong birthday message for our celebrant? Sige, ma'am.
Sana maging healthy si Mira at saka sing bright nung lolo ni Mira.
Kamag-anak ba kayo ng lolo? Ay, hindi. Ako work. Wow, thank you. All right. Next song, please. Saan? Yung mga hindi pa nakakasagot. Anong movie? Anong movie? Nakasagot na ba kayo? Hindi pa. Lakasan nyo pa. Yes! Sige po. Wait lang. Wait lang. Nakasagot na kasi kayo. Sinong table ang gusto nyong tulungan? Ay! Sila na lang po. At tanungin ko na daw ikaw. Big Hero 6 is correct. Table number 14. Alright. Thank you so much. Next game tayo. Okay, next game tayo. Again, tinatawagan ko po ang mga ninong at ninang ni Mira dito po sa unahan. I need at least 5. 5 ninong and 5 ninang. Let's go. Let's go. Madali lang po ito. Dali game. Yes. Let's go, ninong and ninang. Kahit hindi po kayo ninang at ninang. Let's go. Miss Mariel, I need your help again. I have 2, 3 more, ninang. 3 more. Panalo na yung babae. Guys, ma'am, I need paano pa po? Magtawag nga po ulit kayo ng mga 5 ninong, 5 ninang.
Claudine, Iris, let's go! May very sexy Ninang. Come here. Sayang yung backless mo.
Parang bento, gento. Ano kaya mo? Sino kayang bubunan makakita lang ng ginto? Ginto, kahit na wala pang hinto. 100% bawat bitaw ko. Mismo, eto kaya mo? Basta makakakita ng gento. Gento. Gento.
Marie.
Di ko basta-basta makakakita.
Marie, come here. One more.
Gento, dito basta-basta bindo. Di mo makumpleto
More boys, si RZ, LJ, Raf.
kaya mo. Sino kayang bubunan makakita lang ng ginto? Ginto, kahit na wala pang hinto. 100% bawal bitaw ko. Mismo, eto kaya mo. Basta-basta makakakita ng ginto. Di ko basta-basta makakakita ng gento. Gento, dito basta-basta bindo. Di mo makumpleto parang bento. Gento, ano kaya mo? Sino kayang bubunan makakita lang ng ginto? Ginto, kahit na wala.
tsaka Carl.
Hindi. Dito po kayo, mga, ano to, ninong versus ninang or girls versus boys tayo. So, girls dito. Ayan. Okay. Aura, ganon. Ganito yung gagawin natin. For sure, nalaro na nyo na to sa mga birthday parties, no? Highest to lowest. So, you will have to arrange yourself according to. Okay? So, ang pila nyo po, ganito, pag ganito. Oo. Okay? Ang mga lalaki, ready na ba kayo? Dito kayo, sir. Masyado kayo mahihain dyan. Okay, game. First question, ano to? Sample. First, arrange yourself according to highest to lowest. Sa size ng paa nyo, go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kailangan nyo shout happy birthday, Mira, pagtapos na kayo. Okay, dito tayo sa girls. Hindi pa sila tapos. Ano po ang size ng paa nyo, ma'am?
9 po.
Size 9. Akala ko tapos na kayo. Sample naman to, di ba? Okay. Size ng paa?
7
7.5?
7. 6.
Hindi nga. Tsaka, okay. Ikaw, sir?
8.5.
7, 8? Okay, sample lang yon. Kaya kailangan, kapag nakapag-arrange na kayo, sisigaw kayo ng happy birthday, Mira, okay? Tapos wala nang gagalaw. Eto, lowest to highest. Group yourselves according to your birth month. Go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito. Wait lang po. Ano, up, wala nang gagalaw. Wala na po. Okay. Kailan po ang birthday?
January.
June, August, September.
Yeah.
November.
November. Okay, tama po. 1 point. Lowest to highest. So, dapat yung pinaka-una. Oh, sige, anong birthday? Sir, ang pila niyo po pag ganito. Okay, 1 point ang boys. Next. From highest to lowest, pinakabata. Hindi, wala pa. Arrange yourself according to your year of birth. Go! Year of birth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Happy birthday din po. Ano pong year?
95. 1995. 96. 2004.
2004. Di ba ang sabi ko kanina? According sa pinakabata. Tama naman siya, highest naman yun, 2004. Mas mataas yung number. Kayo po, ano ang year pinanganak?
2011.
99.
Hindi nga.
5.
Okay. Highest ako, number. Ha? Mali. Ang duduga nyo. Walang nanalo. Naguluhan. Ito. Ito baka hindi na kayo magkamali. Lowest to highest. Arrange yourself. Lowest to highest, ha? Lowest to highest. According to the number of your exes. Go! Number ng X. Go! 5, 4, high. Lowest to highest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Mira. Ilan po ang X?
Wala po.
Walang X. Sa ganda mo yan. May boyfriend? Wala rin. Kasi andyan si Mami. Walang boyfriend? 0. 2. 2. Ilang taon ka na, ma'am? 27. Ay, si madam. Teka lang. Yes po, ilan na po?
2.5.
Ay, teka lang. Wait lang, bakit? 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 Complicated ba? Pero ilan? 3. Kayo po, ma'am? 4. Napakaganda nyo naman kasi. 4. Sige po. Ay, kanina nasa gitna ka. Hindi, nakita namin. Nandito ka sa pangalawa. Ilan yung naging ex mo?
0.
Daddy, oh. Okay, pero nauna pa ang girl, so 1 point na ang girl. Okay, napakarami na nating nalaro, oh. Okay, next. Oh, wait. Sige, aalamin natin. So, wala. Ilan, sir? Wala. Asan po yung kasama nyo? Tama po ba? Totoo po ba yung sinasabi nito? Wala. May asawa na po. Tinatanong ko lang. Okay, ilan na po? 0. Ilan? Ang gusto nilang malaman lahat, ilan po ang naging ex niyo, sir?
0.
Ilan, ma'am? Para alam niyo po. Hindi ako sure. Sige. Dahil 0 kayong lahat, wala pa kayong point. 1 point for the girls. Okay, next. Lowest to highest. Lowest to highest, sabi ko. Lowest to highest. Group yourself according to your height. Go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nauna po. Hindi. Ito na. Ito po. Sige po. Okay. Okay. Pero anong height mo, sir? 4'9". 4'9". 5'2". 5'5". 5'6".
5'6". 5'7".
5'7". Okay. 1 point for that one. 5'7". Sige. Next. Okay. Galingin nyo, ha. Ito, 1 point pa rin. So, 1 all na kayo. Sige. So, tiebreaker na lang to. Ha? Dalawa na? Dalawa na pala. Okay. So, last. Sige, ito, 5 points. 5 points. Oo. Sige. From highest to lowest, arrange yourself according to your waistline. Go! 5. Highest to lowest. 5, 4, 3, 2. Happy birthday. Ay, di happy birthday din, sir. Nauna po sila. Titingnan natin. Anong waistline mo, sir? No. You don't know. Tingnan natin yung bandang wag na. Sige po.
27.
27.
33.
23.
33. 23. 33. 36. Ba't nahiya ka, sir? Ba't nahiya ka? Anong sabi ko kanina? Highest to lowest. Ano ang size ng waistline niya, ma'am?
25. Di ako kumakain nga.
I'm sexy and I know it.
25.
24.
24. 24. Hindi kayo nakikinig. Sabi namin highest to lowest. 5 points for the girls.
Sexy.
Panalo kayo. Dahil dyan, sir. Uy, hindi ako nasa scam. Dito lang kayo, mga sir. Yan. Ma'am, picture po kayo. May prize po ba tayo dito? Dyan lang kayo, sir, ha? Thank you po, Lolo. Yan. Maghati-hati daw kayo sa bar ng chocolate. Picture po. Picture. Yung pinakamasayang picture. Yung pinakamasaya. Good job. Thank you so much. Yung mga lalaki, dito po kayo sa gitna. Dahil kayo ay natalo, dito po kayo. Okay? Ang sequence po ng ating buffet, magpapapicture muna po dito together with the celebrant per table and then you are going to line up doon po sa ating buffet. Medyo dadahan-dahanin natin para hindi kayo maging crowded doon sa labas. May I call on the birthday celebrant po to be here in front? Sige po. Okay, nagbibihis pa daw po si Mira. Ayan, dahil may mga natitira pa akong katanungan habang inaantay po natin si Mira. Ito po, may mananalo rin po ng chocolates. I have 3 questions here. What is her favorite nursery rhyme? Letter A, the ants go marching. Letter B, the wheels on the bus. Letter C, 3 little ducks. And letter D, itsy bitsy spider. Go! Ano po? Sige po, doon sa table. Letter B. Alam niyo po ba kung paano sinasayaw ang the wheels on the bus? DJ, may music ka ba dyan? Sige po, tayo po kayong lahat dyan sa table para po mabigay yung prize. Let's go! Oh, laban na laban! Let's go!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town.
Thank you so much dahil dyan, hindi po yun ang tamang sagot. Hindi po yun ang tamang sagot. Ano po ang yes po, tita. Letter? Letter D, itsy bitsy spider. Alam niyo po ba kung paano Okay, DJ, may itsy bitsy spider ka ba dyan? Sige po. Tatayo rin po kayo. Go mga tita.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Go mga tita.
Came the sun.
Iniimbento niyo na lang yata yan. Dahil dyan,
Itsy bitsy.
hindi pa rin po yun ang tamang sagot. Sino? Yes. Ano po yan? The ants go marching is... DJ, meron ka ba nun? Wala po. Dahil dyan. Pero yun yung tamang sagot. Oo. Sorry po sa mga napagtripan. Ayan. Meron pong prize ang tamang sagot. Ito po, next. What is Mira's first solid food? Ano ang una niyang kinain? Nung pwede na siyang mag-solids. Letter... Sige po, sinong gustong manghula? Jollibee Chicken Burger? Ano daw? Ano po? Yes? Avocado. Avocado is correct. Tama po yan. Ito po. Ilan na po ang ngipin? Ilan na po ang ngipin ni Mira? 5. 3. 32. Hindi pa. 4. Ilan? 5. 8. Ang tama pong sagot ay 5. Ito po, siya yung unang sumagot. Ayan. Habang inaantay natin si Mira, may I call on the kids here in front and borrow your mommy or daddy's cell phone and put it into camera mode. Lahat po ng bata na pwede maglaro, ayan, dalhin po ang cellphone ng inyong mommy or daddy. Hindi, sige, dyan na lang kayo. Dyan na lang kayo manggagaling. Okay, tulungan nyo na lang po sila, mommy and daddy, and mga aunties. Okay. Bring me a photo. Bring me a photo of your outfit today. Go! Bring me a photo of your outfit today. Bang, dalawa ang mananalo. First two, come on.
I'm begging you.
Okay, patingin ako of your outfit today. Good job. What's your name? Alright, good. Sige, saan tanggapin na natin to? Patingin ako, ma'am. Waikiki Massage and More. Mali po yan. Facebook page. Business po to, ma'am. Punta na daw po kayo sa Waikiki Massage and More. I-follow niyo na po yung Facebook page nila, Waikiki Spa Massage. Grabe, shameless plug talaga. Sir, pengi po akong 3 chocolates. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Francesca Day.
Francesca. And what's your name?
Sammy Walangelia Compesto.
Ay, teka lang. Philippines. What's your name?
Kaisen.
Kaisen. Alam niyo ba yung sayaw na Mini Miss You? Ay, may mga gusto po bang sumali dyan na mga bata? Hello, what's your name?
Tatay.
Yes, opo. Dito ka muna. Sino po yung mga gustong sumaling bata dyan? Yung mga talagang nasa likod, active na active. Oo, talaga naman. Okay, sige, hawakan niyo muna yung mga cellphone niyo. Sasayaw po tayo ng Mini Miss You. Palakpakan po natin.
Hello, batang people, mabuhay. Mini-miss you, mini-miss you. Hello, batang people, mabuhay. Mini-miss you, mini-miss you.
Yes!
Batang people, mabuhay.
Thank you so much. Dahil dyan, bibigyan namin kayo ng prizes. Ayan po. And the celebrant is here. Tutuloy na po tayo sa ating buffet. O, sige, isa pa.
Sige, kuya. Ayan, yung mga kids po natin sa likod, sayag po yung prizes. And of course, syempre, yung cash prizes din. Ayan, alright. Last 10 seconds po para sa lahat ng mga kids na gustong maglaro. Ayan, si Kuya. Kuya, come here. Ayan, sige, sali na kayo sa ating game. Ayan, last 5 seconds sa lahat ng kids na gustong maglaro.
These presents don't really come for free. Your paycheck don't mean that much to me. Just take my hand and hold me tight. You'll never buy my love. You buy me this and you buy me that. So get over, get over. You got me wrong and that's a fact. Something that you got to know is when you see that when I'm wrong, that I left you a different love. Will you realize?
Ayan, alright. Ano ko, syempre, at dahil nga po meron lang tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 kids. Ayan, sige, alright kids. Form kayo ng isang one big circle. Hawak-hawak kamay na lang kayo. Form kayo ng isang one big circle. Hawak-hawak kamay. Ayan, sige po. Hawak-hawak kayong kamay. Form kayo sa isang one big circle. Ayan, hawak kayong kamay. And of course, syempre, everyone, for our game is what you call Jollibee Find My Shoes. So, ano nga ba ang Jollibee Find My Shoes? So, the first thing that you are going to do is you have to take off your shoes. Ayan, you have to take off your shoes and then ipi-place natin siya dito sa gitna. Ayan, sige, hubarin nyo ng inyong mga sapatos or sandals. Then place it, ayan, sa harap ninyo. Yes. Yung pair of shoes po ninyo na suot. Ayan, sige ate. Yung isa pa ate. Ayan, and of course, syempre, after po nilang hubarin ang kanilang mga sapatos, ay tatalikod po kayo.
Come and join us as we open the new...
Ayan, sige, talikod kayo and then close your eyes. Hanggat walang sinasabi si Kuya Renz na idilat ang inyong mga mata, dapat nakapikit muna. Ayan, sige, close your eyes. So, ang Jollibee Find My Shoes everyone, ay itatago po namin ang kanilang mga sapatos at paunahan lamang po nila itong hahanapin. So, mga mami and daddy, pwede po nating i-assist or tulungan ang inyong mga kids.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ayan, alright everyone, all kids, dilat na po ang inyong mga mata. Ayan, so nilayo-layo lang namin ang inyong mga shoes at dapat paunahan nyo itong hahanapin at susuotin. Ayan, so pipili po kami sa kanila ng top 4 winners na makakatanggap ng game prizes. And of course, syempre, cash na galing kay Mommy and Daddy. Ayan, kaya pakiready na lang po yung inyong mga GCash. Ayan, alright kids! Pag sinabi ni Kuya Renz ang Jollibee Find My Shoes, ready, set, go. Sa go pa lang, dun nyo pa lang sisimulang hanapin ang inyong mga shoes, okay? Ayan, alright all kids. Ready, set. Ayan, wala pa. Ready, set, go!
Halina't magsaya, si best friend Jollibee narito na. Hey kids, come with me.
Let's play with Jollibee! Jolly, jolly, Jollibee, jolly, 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 Jollibee, jolly, jolly.
May malaking mata.
Ayan, kailangan suot, kids. Kailangan suot. Ayan, so we have a winner here, si Baby. 1, 2, ayan, 3. Ate, come here. 3, ayan, isa na lang. Isa na lang ang kailangan namin para makumpleto ang mananalo. Ayan, sige kids, dalian nyo.
Di mapigilan ang galak.
Jolly, jolly, Jollibee,
Ayan, alright, isang kids na lang ang hinahanap natin.
jolly, jolly, Jollibee, jolly, 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 Jollibee, jolly, 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 jolly.
Ayan, sige, paunahan ninyo itong isuot. Ayan. Everyone, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga kids na nanalo. Ayan. At kung syempre, ito po ang inyong mga prizes. Baby.
Iba ang sarap sa Jollibee, iba ang saya sa Jollibee,
Ayan. Alright. At kung syempre, ngayon naman po, tayo po ay dadako upang makilala ninyo kung sino nga ba ang aming special guest ngayong araw. Ayan, alright, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, please welcome ang paborito ni Lolo at magiging paborito ng apo. Please welcome none other than Jollibee!
si Jollibee ang favorite kong Jollibee, Jolly, Jolly.
Halina't magsaya, si best friend Jollibee narito na. Hey kids, come with me.
Iba ang saya sa Jollibee,
Ayan.
isang beses sa isang taon.
Ayan, alright. Siyempre, si Mami. Ayan, sige po, picture taking po tayo together with Jollibee. And of course, siyempre, si Daddy na rin po.
Kapag lumalapit na ang araw ng birthday ko, excited na akong makita, makalaro, at mapasayawan. Si Jollibee ang favorite kong kaibigan. Iba ang sarap sa Jollibee, iba ang saya sa Jollibee. Ito talaga ang jolliest party na gusto ko for my birthday. Dahil nandyan si
Alright, thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy. And of course, syempre, ako po ay mayroon ulit tanong sa inyong lahat. Gusto nyo bang makitang sumayaw si Jollibee? Ay nako, Jollibee, parang mahina. Alright, ulit. Gusto nyo bang makitang sumayaw si Jollibee? Ayan, kaya naman, Jollibee, ready ka na? Alright, please welcome isang malakas na palakpakan naman, Jollibee!
You ready?
I see you looking at my PIC. I know, 그게 땡겨 좀 더 땡겨봐 바퀴도 차지. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Baby 확 가게 확대 확실하게
Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết anh si tình 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 tang tang tình tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình 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 tan tan tình tan tình mình tình tan 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 tình. Yeah, yeah. Anh tính sao? Giờ để anh tính sao?
Alright, isang malakas na palakpakan naman, everyone!
Too many days, too many hours, I'm still burning till you return. Feeling ain't the same and your body don't want to. You know, gotta let it go. 'Cause the party ain't changing like it used to. Even though this might not let it burn, let it burn. Gotta let it
Mga mapakalit. Tara na, doon na nga ang punta. Labas-labas ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling kapag kita ang saya. Dito tayo, delicious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, just delicious ang saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, dito ang saya. Dito lang kay idol, dito lahat bida. Pinagsamang saya't sarap. Sige na, sayaw na. Labas lahat ang ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling kapag kita ang saya. Dito tayo, delicious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, just delicious ang saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, dito ang saya. Dito tayo, just delicious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, just delicious ang saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, dito ang saya.
Isang malakas na palakpakan naman! Ayan, alright. Thank you so much, Jollibee. And of course, syempre, may we call on Mommy and Daddy again, together with Jollibee, for another picture taking po. Ayan, sige po. Ayan, sige. Jollibee, tingin sa camera. Everyone in 3, 2, 1, smile! Ayan, alright, Jollibee, yung pinakamasaya naman po. Ayan, Waki, everyone in 3, 2, 1, Waki! Ayan, ako, Jollibee, mag-McDo ka daw, mawawalan ka ng lisensya. Ayan, and of course, syempre, at dahil nga rin po ngayon, ay first birthday ni Mira. So, syempre, si Jollibee ay hindi naman po mawawalan ng birthday wish para kay Mira. Jollibee, kayang-kaya mo ba ba? Ayan, alright, Mommy and Daddy. And of course, syempre, para kay Mira, tayo po ay makinig sa kanyang birthday wish for Mira. Ayan, alright, ang birthday wish po ni Jollibee para kay Mira ay sana sa paglaki ni Mira, lumaki si Mirang matalino, malakas, at hindi sakitin, at laging mag-pray kay Lord, at lumaki si Mira na always be happy. Ayan, of course, syempre, pinapasabi nga rin daw po ni Jollibee para sa lahat ng mga nandito, saan ka mang sulok ng mundo, always be happy! Ayan, alright. And of course, syempre, thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy. Tinatawagan po ulit din si Lolo. Ayan, ako talagang paboritong-paborito si Jollibee to get... Ayan. Ayan, alright, thank you so much. May request po ako sinong gustong makasayaw ni Jollibee, si Lolo.
Gento, dito basta-basta bingo. Gin mo, makumpleto parang bento. Gento, ano kaya mo? Sino kayang bubunan makakita lang ng...
Ayan, alright everyone, please welcome Jollibee and si Lolo. Isang malakas na balak ang
Gento, dito basta-basta bingo. Gin mo, makumpleto parang bento. Gento, ano kaya mo? Sino kayang bubunan makakita lang ng...
Ayan, alright. And for syempre, kami na nga rin po ay magpapaalam na sa inyong lahat. So in behalf of Jollibee Binyan Bayan, we would like to thank everyone, especially and Mommy and si Daddy for choosing Jollibee Binyan Bayan to be part of this wonderful celebration. Ayan, thank you so much. Jollibee, kaya mo pa ba? Ayan, sige, for the last, sayawin mo ulit ang Jollibee B-Dance. Ayan, sige, last na yan, Jollibee. Alright, music po. Ay, tingala ka.
Are you ready?
I see you looking at my PIC. I know, 그게 땡겨 좀 더 땡겨 봐봐 기똥차지. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Baby 확 가게 확대 확실하게 Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình. Tình 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 tang tang ting tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình. Tình 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 tang tang ting tang tình 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 tang 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 tình. Yeah, yeah. Anh tính sao giờ để anh tính sao? Can you hear me burning, baby? Too many days, too many hours, I'm still burning till you return. Feeling ain't the same and your body don't want to. But you know, gotta let it go. 'Cause the party ain't shining like it used to. Even though this might be let it burn, let it burn. Gotta let it burn. Para na, doon na lang ang punta. Labas ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling kapag nakita ang saya. Dito tayo, delicious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, just delicious sa saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, dito ang saya. Dito lahat ay idol, dito lahat bida. Pinagsamang saya't sarap. Sige na, sayaw na. Labas lahat ang ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling kapag nakita ang saya. Delicious ang tawa. Sa Jollibee na tayo, just delicious sa saya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, dito ang saya.
Ayan, everyone, palakpakan naman. Ayan, thank you so much everyone. At talagang kami po ay magpapaalam na sa inyong lahat. Good day and enjoy this party. Thank you so much everyone.
Thank you so much, Jollibee and Jollibee crew. Maraming salamat po. So, thank you. And we are going to the next part of the program. At this point, may I invite all the kids to be here in front. for the next segment is our bubble show. Ayan, all the kids are invited to be here in front to watch the bubble show. But during the bubble show, please, wala po munang pupunta doon sa may tarpaulin. Okay, yun po yung boundaries natin. Kasi po baka po madulas ang mga bata. Ayan, again ha, please be careful. Kasi po, they are using liquid soap, kaya madulas po yan. Wala po munang tatapak dito sa blue line. Ayan, yung mga parents po, pakibantayan ng ating mga anak. So Andrew, the bubble man, will do tricks, and then later on we have a chance for a picture taking inside the bubbles. So once again, let us clap our hands for Mr. Andrew, the bubble man.
Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. We were victims of the night. The chemical, physical, kryptonite. Help us to the base and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said, you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me.
This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top town AC with the coolest system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and he got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell coke. He always in the air, but he never fly coach. She a motherfucking drip drip, tell her all the strip strip. When he make a drip drip, kiss him on a lip lip. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, you'll get slapped if you're looking hoe. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my, you're like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy, and I'm loving your tie. You're like slicker than the guy with the thing on his eye. Oh, yes I did, yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I'm that producer. That coops up and chuck the user. My heart keeps running away. Beating like a drum and it's coming your way. Can't you feel that? He got the super bass. Boys in the polos, entrepreneur niggas in the mogos. He can roll with the cool, he can solo. But I think I like him better when he's down low. And I think I like him better with the fitted cap on. He ain't even gotta try to put the Mac on. He just gotta give me that look. When he give me that look, then the penny's coming off. Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. You know I really got a thing for American guys. I mean, sigh, sickening eyes. I can tell that you're in touch with your feminine side. Yes I did, yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I'm that producer. That coops up and chuck the user. Like a drum and it's coming your way. Can't you feel that? He got that super bass. Yeah, that super See, I need you in my life for me to stay. No, 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 I know you'll stay. Oh, no, 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 don't go away. Yeah. Oh, you got my
We love golden chains, we love diamond rings. We could always gain them designer things. Versace, Prada, Rolex or Mercedes Benz. The grind will never end. Oh, got my eyes on the prize, but it won't mean much without you by my side. Yeah, we all fantasize about our cash going up, but your love ain't got a price. With you, I'm tryna kick it. Kick it, kick it, with you I wanna kick it, kick it, kick it, cause you turn up my spirit, spirit, spirit. Let's take the script and flip it, flip it, flip this thing up. Yeah, we flip this thing up. Kick it, kick it, kick it. With you I wanna kick it, kick it, kick it. Cause you turn up my spirit, spirit, spirit. Let's take the script and flip it, flip it. We love traveling, we love catching flights. We'll do anything to be in paradise. Ibiza or Bahamas just to live the life. But it's you that makes me feel alive. Got my eyes on the prize, but it won't mean much without you by my side. Yeah, we all fantasize about our cash going up, but your love ain't got a price. With you, I'm tryna kick it, kick it, kick it. With you, I wanna kick it, kick it, kick it. Cause you turn up my spirit, spirit, spirit. Let's take the script and flip it, flip it. Flip this thing up.
fall in line. Please fall in line. Dito po tayo sa gitna.
In the club with the lights off, but you acting shy for. Come and show me that you're with it, with it, with it, with it, with it.
Please fall in
Stop
line.
playing, now you know that I'm with it, with it.
No touching of bubbles.
With it. What you acting shy for?
Just give me you, just give me you, just give me you. That's all I wanna do. And if what they say is true, if it's true, I'ma give it to you. I may take a lot of stuff, guaranteed I can back it up. I think I'ma call you bluff. Hurry up, I'm waiting out front. You see me in the spotlight, ooh, I love your style. Show me what you got, cause I don't wanna waste my time. See me in the spotlight, ooh, I love your style. Show me what you got now, I'ma make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it.
You see that girl with the big tic tac, she fi gimme the head to the floor, girl, gimme the bend over, girl, and gimme the spit down to the ground, seismic activity. Spin round me, girl, and gimme the top wine, girl, and gimme the body look fine, girl, gimme the coming out waste some time, girl, gimme the body look good, girl, you ever be winning it. Turn it up right, girl, you never be dimming it. Take up your body, cause you're in your element. Funny body, me take up a permanent residence. Rotate your body, come in over, you're spinning it. Rotate your body, come in over, you're spinning it. Rotate your body, come in over, you're spinning it. Make the trumpets blow. Make the trumpets blow.
start. Move it to the beat, I'm just trying to play my part. I'm addicted, I just can't miss this chance. Go ahead and get my dance.
But they can't duplicate you, 'cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you, 'cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long, I'm addicted like it's wrong. What you gonna do with the dessert?
On the beat, so twerk it, bitch.
Alright, that is it for our Bubble Show. Palakpakan po natin once again, Mr. Andrew, the Bubble Man. If you want to have him on your next events, ayan, kontakin niyo lamang po siya. Medyo madulas na po yung sahig, so kids, please be careful. We are almost at the end part of our program. Ayan, aantayin lamang po natin na mailigpit yung ating unahan. And we are going to watch a film. Ayan. Ayan, may ask everyone, every kids, ayan, dito po sa unahan, to please fall in line for you. Mami Mariel, picture po tayo with the kids. Ayan, lahat po ng bata na naka-receive ng kiddie meal, let's go. Souvenir photo. Ayan. Kids. We're almost done. Wala po munang uuwi. Picture. Alright, smile in 3, 2, 1. Lucky, 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay. So, hindi po natin nakakalimutan yung premyo nating 1,500 sa pinakamataas ang energy! Nasaan? Parang ayaw nyo na. Oh, dito. Wala na dito. Oh, sobrang...
Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom.
Oo, ipamimigay natin yung 1,500 na yan. Sinong gusto ng 1,500?
Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom.
Eh. Dito ayaw yata ng 1,500. Ayaw niya na. Napagod na. Parang boses ko pagod na. How about this side? 1,500. 1,500. Ito lang. Parang alam ko na kung sino ang nanalo. May panalo na.
Hit me with the horns.
Alam niyo, ito yung mga gusto kong mga bisita sa mga birthday party.
Hit me with the horns.
Ay, tumayo na si ma'am. Sige ma'am, hindi kayo magpapatalo, di ba? Ito po yung mga gusto kong bisita pag may birthday party.
Hit me with the horns.
O sige, wag kayong magpatalo. Alright. Ready na ba ang ating video? Sir, MJ? Okay. Dahil dyan, Miss Mariel and Sir Miles, dito po muna tayo sa unahan. Bago po ang lahat, may I invite you here in front again. Ano po ang masasabi niyo sa mga bisita niyong walang ka-energy ngayong hapon?
Thank you everyone for coming ulit. Yun lang, na-appreciate ko yung lahat, pero mas ma-appreciate ko kayo kung may gift kayo kay Mira. Hindi, okay lang kahit walang gift as long as nandito kayo. Mas importante yung presence nyo. I hope na hanggang pagtanda ni Mira, nandyan kayo to guide her, okay? Feeling ko naman I made a good decision yung pag-pick ko ng mga ninong at ninang ko. It did not disappoint. Sorry, as a cancer girl, hindi ko kayo bibigyan ng benefit ng gano'n, Charis. Dahil Scorpio ang anak ko. Ayun, so, thank you everyone. Sana naging masaya kayo. Masaya ba kayo?
Hit me with the horns.
So, ayun, thank you so much. Ayun na, yung mga gifts dito, baka nalimutan nyo lang kasi maglagay. Ganyan. Maraming 1-5. Bawat table may 1-5.
Hit me with the horns.
Okay, okay. Kahit hindi nyo kami binigyan ng sobrang taas na energy sa ibang table dyan, lahat kayo makakakuha ng 1,500!
Hit me with the horns.
Ipamigay na yan. O pag-exit nyo daw po, may mamimigay sa labas. Pipila. Okay. O sige, bawat daw table, pahinga ako ng isang representative to receive the prize. Come on! Table number 1. Okay, isa-isahin natin. Table number 1. Lahat ng table. Okay. Lahat. Okay. Table number 1 to 14 to 15. Pahinga ako isang representative to receive your prize. Come on! Pag walang representative, wala. Table number? 13. 13. Dahil dyan. Ma'am. Representative. Representative. Table number 4, wala. Halika na. Ma'am, halika na. Okay lang. Hindi naman kayo sasayaw. Pag walang representative, walang premyo. Table number 5. Table number 9. 11. Come on. 12. Yan, sige. Hawakan ninyo yung table number nyo. Ang galing nyo talaga. Table number 9. Ikaw na kumuha. Halika na, sir. 12. O, number 1, meron na? 1, 2. Table number 2. 3. 4. 4. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 11. Sige po, punta po kayo dyan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pwede po bang pagsunod-sunorin natin? Tape number 1 dito. 1, 2, 3. Sunod-sunod. 3, 4, 5. Sir, usog kayo. Sunod-sunod dapat. Sunod-sunod. Ayan. 6, 7, 8. 9. O, walang 3, 4, walang 10. Nasaan ang 10? Walang, ay no, 10. Kunin mo na. 1-5 din to. Dali. Kunin mo yung table number nyo, dali. Ayun no, yung table number. Ayan. Wala pong titingin dito. Walang po yung maingay, mother. Okay. Lahat po ng table natin ay mag-uwi ng 1,500 milliliters of Coca-Cola!
Coca-Cola. Join ka na. Laki na prizes! Laki na prizes!
1,500 na naman.
Look for the winning rounds and get free Coke in bottles, packs, and cases. Millions of Coke free!
Iuwi nyo yan.
Di mabilang ng mga premyo. Tuwa ng mananalo. Win free plastic bottle of Coca-Cola. Join ka na sa pakwalan.
Yes, maraming salamat sa Coca-Cola for our sponsor tonight. Tama, wala naman po kaming sinabing pesos. Ang sabi namin, 1,500. Thank you so much. Okay, picture. Yung mukhang masaya. Yung mukhang nanalo ng 1,500. Picture. Saglit lang po. Okay, picture in 3. Yung pinakamasaya. 2. Compress daw. Yung para kayong model ng Coke. 3, 2, 1, smile. Waki. Okay, thank you so much. Alright, and now we are ready to watch the milestones of Mira, of 1 year of milestones of Mira in a form of a video. Ayan, so everyone, may I invite you to please eyes on...